Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to connect your Apple Magic Mouse 2 to a MacBook Pro using Bluetooth. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to Magic Mouse. As you can see in the previous tutorial, I did unbox the device itself. That will be available at the end of this video tutorial. Let's now get into the video. So make sure the Bluetooth mouse is turned on. Let's now turn the attention to the Apple Magic Mouse itself. All we need to do is switch this on. That's all turned on. Make sure the mouse itself is charged. And now go to the MacBook Pro. Open the Bluetooth preferences. Magic Mouse connect. And the mouse itself has now been connected. So what we can now do is turn the attention to the Apple Magic Mouse itself. And there you go. Everything works smoothly. We can now check the battery life of the Apple Magic Mouse itself, 86. That's all good. Quick system preferences. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.